So we have the shelf together, the bookshelf, and it was the part we ran into a little bit of issue was keeping everything nice and parallel and keeping the two sides even. You really have to be careful because if one board warps just a little bit and you start measuring from there, it starts compounding and throws you way off. We did not cut everything even. We left it more of a three-dimensional look. And the other thing we did was we don't use just one type of wood. We have some cherry, we have some white ash, and this is the white ash that's dying. It's very sad, but beautiful stuff. The cherry, we use black walnut plugs. And I guess that's it. Cherry, white ash, and black walnut. That's what makes up this. And here we have the knot that we had salvaged. We didn't want to lose this board, a beautiful design around it. And here we have a unique thing too. This is where the end of the white ash log had some rot going on, but we really needed the length, so we didn't want to lose it. But so it gives us, there's no bugs in there. We're sure it's not active, but it gives us a cool design. And just this cherry in general has a really cool design now. Oh, I forgot to mention these uprights here. We do have some other types of wood in here. We have some red oak here. And I'm pretty sure one of these was a white oak. I think this one. And then I guess a red oak, and white ash. And a red oak here. So, I guess we have 4 types of wood in here. No, 5. Turned out beautiful. We oiled it. So what we did was Lucas gave it a 1 coat, most of it 1 coat earlier today, and then we came out and gave it another coat. What I found out is if you give it 1 coat, give it like 2 hours, 3 hours, and then give it another coat, and then let it go for a few days. Well, in the morning or tomorrow, if there's any like excess on it, we may rub it off because that may not actually sink into the wood anymore. And we don't want it to get gummy on top. So if there is some excess in any places, we'll kind of rub that off tomorrow. And then we'll let it dry. And then if you still want more oil on it, then at that point I would go with a tung oil, a coat of tung oil. And then in the future, when you're cleaning and you want to like give the wood a little fresh feel to it, some orange oil does a great job on it. So that's my take on oils. And if you use oils, burn the rags afterwards or make sure they can't be in any area to start a fire or anything like that. So we just throw them in the wood stove. So there it is.